Hello and welcome to my channel, Diligent Meek. And today, the topic which we are going to discuss is how to install the Python libraries Librosa, Soundfile, and PyAudio. So for that, let us open our command prompt. Bear with me. Now, after we have opened our command prompt, we need to type this syntax pip install and write the name of your libraries. Librosa, Soundfile, PyAudio. Now, here we are seeing an error coming out. So let us understand why this error is coming. Basically, if you could see here that the error is coming, um, denoted by our command prompt that it could not install PyAudio library file. So I guess it means that our other two library files of Python, that is Librosa and Soundfile, have been installed. So let us check if that's the case. Let us open Python and import Librosa. Okay, so Librosa has also not been installed. Let us see if Soundfile has been installed or not. Okay, so Soundfile has been installed, and let us check the version which is installed in our system. It is 0.10.3. So our Soundfile library file has been installed, but Librosa and PyAudio hasn't been installed. It's the command prompt has has popped out an error for us regarding our library files Librosa and PyAudio, stating that we need to have Microsoft Visual C++ 14.0 as our requirement. So now what should we do? Nothing. Just come out from this Python and then from this command prompt. Now let us open Anaconda. Now in the Anaconda prompt, we can use the syntax, which is conda install -c conda forge, and then you can type Librosa. Now let's see what happens. Bear with me. Okay, so this shows that our Python library Librosa is now going to be successfully installed in our system. So it has already been installed. So we can cross check by importing it. Librosa, sorry, my bad. Librosa. Okay, again, it is showing an error. No need to worry. Come out from this Python. Now type conda install -m conda forge. Now type Librosa. Now let's check. Okay, so our third method could be pip install Librosa. Now let's check. Now our Librosa has been successfully installed. So this can happen. For example, some syntax can work in the command prompt window. Some syntax can work in the Anaconda window. So our conda syntax was not working for Librosa. The syntax which worked for Librosa was pip install Librosa. Sorry. So the syntax which worked for us was this one, pip install Librosa. This syntax work for Librosa, but we use this syntax in the Anaconda prompt, not in the command prompt. And pip installed sound file worked in the command prompt. Now, what about py audio? That is our third library file which needs to be installed. So again, let us follow the syntax. Conda install -c conda forge. Now type py audio. Let's check. So now our py audio file is going to get successfully installed in our system with this syntax, which is conda install -c conda forge py audio. If this doesn't work, then we can just change from -c to -m, and then it will definitely work. So these are some possible solutions which can work to download your Python library files, that is Librosa, sound file, and py audio. And in order to cross check, you can just open Python and then you can import your py audio file. And now you can check the version which got installed in your system. So it is 0.2.11. Okay. And if you want to check if your Librosa file has been, library has been installed or not, so import Librosa and check. Okay, so it has also been installed. Check the version. It is 0.8.1. And finally, to check if sound file has been installed or not. So all our three library files have been installed: py audio, Librosa, and sound file. So these are some possible methods which we can employ to install these libraries of Python into our system. So if you have found my solution useful and informative, so please do like and subscribe my channel, and please do press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much.